Okay, let us continue our problems on determinants. See, in the last class we have proved one problem on 4 marks. Similarly, I have considered another problem, so which is a 4 marks question, which may be asked in part E. Okay, using the properties of determinants, prove that 1a a cube, first column, 1b b cube, 1c c cube, so columns. So in the right hand side, you should get a minus b, b minus c, c minus a into a plus b plus c. So those are the four factors, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four factors given on the right hand side. So okay. So I have considered the LHS here. See how we can proceed here or begin here. See here in the first row, 1, 1, 1, all the elements have been already 1. Okay. So we can operate it column wise. See here, a cube, b cube, c cube is given. So if I subtract first column from second, see here, 1 minus 1, I will get this 0. Then if I subtract this here, you see here, 1 minus 1, 0. So it will be very easy. So we can apply on columns. See here, I will take, see here, a minus b. So that means I should get a minus b. So a minus b, that means first column minus second column. C1 changes to C1 minus C2, and so I can get here b minus c. See, b minus c is there. To do that, I have to apply on second column. Second column changes to second column minus third column. Okay, I will do these two operations. So then, see third column. So see, it's column wise. Third column will not change. So I can write it as it is. 1c c cube. Okay, C1 changes to C1 minus C2, C1 minus 1, that will be 0. Then A minus B, so I'll write here, A cube minus B cube, see A cube minus B cube. This is the first column. Second column is second column minus third column, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Then B minus C, B cube minus C cube, see B cube minus C cube. So applying these two column operations, I get this. See, before going to the next step, see here a cube minus b cube and b cube minus c cube, there are two terms. So what are the formula here? See, a cube minus b cube. So we can remember the formula. I shall write it here. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, so we can replace here b and c. So b cube minus c cube, that is b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square. Okay, these two formulas. So we have learnt in our previous classes. We can replace these two terms by this formula. So that we will do it in the next step. Okay. So I will continue here. See. So I will write the elements. Okay. See, first column wise here, 0, a minus b, then a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is this one. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Then second column, so 0, b minus c, then b cube minus c cube, I can write this here. So b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square. Then third column is 1 c c cube. Okay, that I can write it as it is. See here, now observe this. See, column wise. So taking a minus b, so a minus b outside, taking a minus b outside from, see, first column, and here b minus c is common in second column. So take b minus c outside from second column. So from this column a minus b comes outside, from this column b minus c comes outside. So there are two factors. That is a minus b into b minus c. Then whatever the elements left, I will write it. So here column wise. So 0, I have taken from columns, not the rows. So a minus b outside 1. So a minus b is outside. So we will get what? A square plus ab plus b square. Then in second column, that is 0, 1, and this is b square plus bc plus c square, and this 1c c cube. This is as it is. See, these two elements have been reduced to 1. Okay. So what is the next step here? So I have applied this. See now, so here 0 and 0, we have reduced these two elements to 0. So our job is very easy. So we can expand at this step only. Otherwise, we can still go on applying the operations here. See, what we can do here is another step is, see, we can reduce this element to 0 here. C2 changes to C2 minus C1, then 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Then we have to subtract this from this, okay, this term. Then we have to change all these signs. Otherwise, we can expand here only. Okay, expanding along, see, first row. So I will take the first row here. So that is plus minus plus. So write this here. See, a minus b and b minus c. I got already these two terms here. So a minus b into b minus c. I will write it as it is into. So I will expand this one. See, 0 and 0. So 0 into 0, 0 into 0. So see here, 0, 0. Two elements are already reduced to 0. So I will consider only this element plus 1 into. See, 1 into, you leave this column and this row. See, 1 into b square plus bc plus c square, that itself, b square plus bc plus c square. So b square plus bc plus c square. 1 into b square plus bc plus c square is b square plus bc plus c square minus 1 into a square plus ab plus b square. That is, I will put the bracket here, a square plus ab plus b square. So I'll get this. So that is a minus b into b minus c. Oh, okay. So I will put 1 here. So b square plus bc plus c square. Say I put the bracket here. I will remove this minus a square minus into plus minus ab minus into plus minus b square. Okay. Then so you observe these terms here. See, minus b square plus b square, it cancels. So the remaining terms are these. So a minus b into b minus c, write it as it is. So what are the terms here left? See here, this c square minus a square. Okay, this c square minus a square means what? So that c square minus a square means I can write that as c minus a into c plus a, this one. So write c minus a into c plus a. Then other two terms are, see, bc plus bc minus ab. So from these two, I have b common, so I will take b outside. C, see what, c minus a. C minus, taking b outside, c minus a. So inside this bracket, see, observe here, a minus b into b minus c as it is. See, c minus a, c minus a. The c minus a is common, so I will write it once. Then what are the terms left here? C plus a plus b. So that I can write it as a plus b plus c. Okay, so this here a minus b, b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. So a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. So this is our RHS. So in this way, see, we should remember these formulas, basic formulas. Otherwise, we cannot write all these steps. So, and we have to be careful here. We have to put the bracket here. Then we have reduced it to the desired result. Okay, let us consider a similar kind of problem which carries 4 marks in the next class.